You know what makes a homemade Caesar salad even better? Grilled chicken!
Oh, crispy lettuce tossed in homemade Caesar dressing and homemade croutons.
And then topped with a marinated, juicy, delicious, perfectly grilled chicken.
Oh, after one bite, you're gonna be in entree salad heaven.
Oh,
So silly.
I love an entree salad, and to be in entree salad heaven is just heavenly. Oh my gosh, there's a million components to this, but it's so much fun to make, and everything can really be done in advance, which
And
is
it is
off the charts yummy.
so good.
Okay, let's
So
talk.
good.
I mean, these are homemade croutons, and guys, don't skip on this. This is always when we make this for guests. They're always like, these croutons are to die for.
So good.
And you can make them in advance. So let me
Yeah,
tell you
and
how.
keep them out of my reach.
Exactly, because I swear there were double this before. So let me tell you how we did this. And you can do this hours in advance. Get a nice big Italian loaf, cut about 4 to, depending on how many croutons you want, I say 4 to 5, about inch to 2 inch thick slices. And then I like to cut away the crust, and then you're going to just cut those into crouton sized cubes, anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches.
I like the big cubes.
Yeah, I do too. And then we're going to just put those into a bowl, and then we're going to get another little bowl that's got a 1/3 cup of olive oil, or you could use extra virgin olive oil. And to that, we're going to whisk in a teaspoon of dried oregano and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Pour that over the bread cubes, and then toss it with some tongs. And then we're going to put that into a preheated oven that's preheated to 375. And they're going to get nice and crunchy. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes. About halfway through, just open up the oven and kind of scooch them around a little bit.
Give them a scooch.
Give them a good scooching, and then you're going to take them out, and they're going to be golden and just really good. But we're not done. You want to hit them with a little bit of salt, and then I put them over into another bowl, and then I sprinkle on about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley, and a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Toss that all together, and you've got homemade croutons.
Those are so good.
Oh my gosh,
I
sure.
love them so much.
Okay.
And then we have the heart of the Caesar salad, which is this romaine lettuce.
Yes.
So how we got here was we took the big old, what is it called, a bunch?
A head of lettuce.
A head of lettuce.
Yes.
A bunch of lettuce.
It's a bunch, boy.
And you want to take off all the outer leaves that don't look so well. And you want to cut off the bottom, and
babies,
then
yep.
cut off the some of the top there, because I like the heart area. I like the color.
The romaine
and plus
hearts.
it's a little crispier that way too.
You want your lettuce to be super crispy.
Right, and then we just, Chris uses his hands. He just tears it
I
up.
think you get your good, but you could also use a knife, but clean hands does a great job.
Puts it in the colander, and then we take the colander over to the sink and we wash our lettuce. And then after that, we grab some paper towels, and we put them on the paper towels. We dry them off, put them back in the colander, and then we put it in the fridge till they're nice and chilly.
Yeah, you want them to be dry, and you want them to be chilled. You could wash them before you cut them up. That's a matter of preference. But anyway, okay. So again, a lot of this you're going to see is going to need some time in the fridge to chill, including the dressing that I'm about to get started on.
Yeah, I'm going to put that back, the lettuce back in the
We'll
fridge.
put all of the, except for the croutons. But again, croutons can be made in advance. So let's get making this amazing Caesar salad dressing.
So good.
Okay, these you may be like, ew, gross. But these are anchovies. That's 6 of them that were packed in oil.
First of all, I love that salty, fishy, not real fishy, but salty
kind
taste.
of briny taste.
Yes.
But you may be thinking, I don't like anchovies. Every time you probably ever ordered a Caesar salad dressing, it's going to have anchovies in it.
You can't really
It's
even
not an
tell.
overpowering taste at all, and it really makes the difference. So I'm going to put these in my food processor. This makes it much, much easier.
Kind of gets pasty.
It does, and it's just going to chop it nice and finely, so you don't have big chunks of anchovy that you're chomping into.
Did you say manchovy?
Well, that's a whole nother story. yeah.
Anchovy.
Manchovy. Okay, so now I've got 2 egg yolks, and this is what's going to give it that. Now, this is not cooked, so if you're serving someone who is has a
Immune deficiency.
you want to let them know.
You got some raw eggs going on.
Because it is raw eggs. There are ways around this. You could use pasteurized eggs, but anyway, we're going to go the kind of the restaurant style. And you want these to get nice and frothy. So I'm going to let this go for about 2 minutes, and you can do your chicken over there.
So I have 2 chicken breasts. They're each about 6 ounces. I'm just going to.
And while you're doing that, I'm going to every now and then just scooch it down.
Every now and then interrupt me.
Yep, well, that's what I do.
So I'm just going to put these in the bag because I'm going to put some marinade in with them.
Those are probably like 6 ounce boneless, skinless chicken breasts.
Yes, they're so good. All right. I like those. It seems like nowadays the chicken breasts are giant.
Yeah, they're like city buses.
They're ridiculous. Okay, so let's make this
marinade.
I've got 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Oh, actually, no, that's olive oil. So
you could go with either.
Okay, so I've got 1/3 cup of that. I have a tablespoon of red wine vinegar.
Yum.
Gonna stick that
A little
in
acid
there.
always is good.
And then I also have 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Get that in there. Oh, it all just melds together. So good. How's it going over there?
It's good.
Okay, and then I've got a teaspoon of dried oregano and a teaspoon of dried basil, but you can do 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, already pre-made Italian seasoning. So I'm gonna throw that in there, and then I'm gonna add some lemon juice. I've got the juice of a lemon.
Of a whole lemon. So this is, while he's doing that, this is just becoming nice and frothy. While you're doing that,
Nice and frothy.
Yeah.
Well, I'm taking my time.
Like Wesley, yeah. I'm going to be done with this. Okay, so this is a quarter cup of red wine vinegar, and I'm going to.
Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
We're going to need to get 2 of these.
I know, Chris.
Actually, we need to get a new one of this. It's getting a little
It's
ragged.
yes.
This is just go with.
And I'm going to mix this together. Sorry.
Perfect.
Yeah.
The juice of a half a lemon. A whole lemon, especially if it's extra juicy, it gets a little too tart. If you like it really tart, then you can do the juice of a whole lemon. Okay.
All right, and so I've got this ready to I just dump it in my bag.
Now I'm going to do this without trying to make a mess. Maybe spread up a little bit.
Okay, I'm going to stand
Now,
back.
oops. So now we've got a cup of good quality olive oil. Yeah. If you have a kitchen towel, it may spray up a little bit. But it'll settle down. Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay,
There you go.
now we're good. Now you may be noticing when you start this, it seems very thin, and it is. But that's why chilling it is really. Look at that beautiful color.
That's gorgeous.
Really, it's critical that you chill it. Okay, now we've got a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and that's going to help thicken things up. I've got a healthy tablespoon of chopped parsley. And then
Yeah, go ahead.
No, what were you going to say?
I'm over here just massaging my breast.
Okay. Okay.
Chicken breast, that is.
Anyway, so many things you can say to that. So then that's a half a teaspoon of dried oregano. And then I'm just going to do a healthy pinch of black pepper and a healthy pinch of salt. You don't need to go overboard with the salt because those anchovies are pretty salty. Okay, now I'm just going to put this in so I don't make a mess. We're going to blend that a little more, and it's good to go. This
love
dressing,
it.
you
It is
guys,
so good.
is truly restaurant quality. Okay, so now you're going to help me, right? Mm-hmm.
You're going to come over here and just pour it in
I'm
there.
just going to pour it right in there.
There you go.
Now look at that. I mean, you could eat it right now, and it would be delicious. But I just think.
Oh, I love that.
I think it needs time to chill because when it chills, it will thicken even more.
I
and
just
be
love
perfect.
having this in the refrigerator whenever we need it.
It is so good. It is so good. Okay.
All right, so we're going to refrigerate this. We're going to refrigerate the chicken, and we're going to come back
And we're going to chill the lettuce. I would say you need to give your chicken at least an hour. I would give this preferably 2 hours to 4, but it'll be fine after an hour, and at least an hour for this.
All right, so see you in about an hour.
Okay. Okay, so it's been a little over an hour, and these should be good and flavored. What?
Nothing. It's been an hour.
I know. Time flies. So, all right, well, we're just going to kind of just let the excess drain off of here. And Oh, it smells
There we
so
go.
good. Such flavor. You could, I mean, if you don't have time, you could skip marinating this and just season, do a little olive oil and season with salt and pepper, and it's still going to be yummy. But why not?
The marinade adds so much. A lot of people just grill their chicken.
Yeah.
A little salt and pepper.
This is what I just said.
Oh.
You could do, but it does. but the flavor of this marinade really matches perfectly with that Caesar dressing.
It does.
Yeah.
It adds a little to that salad.
Yeah, they just go well together. So now we needed to season this with some salt and pepper. Liberally add, this is a little kosher salt that I've got here, just eyeballing it. That's probably about it.
Yeah.
Teaspoon.
I like it good and salty.
Well, you don't want to under-season.
No.
Okay. All right, so we've got our grill cranked up to heat. We're going to put this directly over.
Cranked up to high heat.
Cranked up to high heat. And we're going to grill this till we get an internal temperature of 165, and then it all comes together.
Yeah.
Beautiful chicken.
Time, y'all.
I know.
That looks so good.
So that
smells good.
It smells so good. So we cooked that perfectly to 165. Just a reminder, we used our ThermoPro. Guys, this thing is a game changer. I'd be lost without it. Remember, we're partners with them, so we have a link to a dedicated page where you get a built-in discount when you get one of these.
Yes. Now I'm going to slice this up, make it look nice and pretty for that salad.
Yeah. And so this came right off the grill, and so it's warm, but this is so good. You could have this, it could be room temperature, which means you could make every component of this well in advance, and then just, when your guests are over, serve it.
Exactly.
So now you see how this is thickened up, and that's gotten just a wonderful consistency. You want to have plenty left over because some people love tons of salad dressing on their salad. We don't like to overdress it.
Yes.
But and let me add these croutons.
Add the croutons.
I know, I was talking so much about them, and that would be a travesty. I'll leave a few for topping, and that already looked beautiful. And then I got a couple of tablespoons of grated Parmesan. This is already looking like one of the best Caesar salads in the world.
It is.
And we're going to add.
Good.
Oh, look at the beauty of that. That color is just so wonderful. That's about a cup that I'm adding. Again, save some on the side, so if your guests want more, they've got access to it.
Exactly.
Doesn't that look good, Wesley? Look at this.
I'm dying. All right, I got to cut off my other one.
Smell. It's that classic Caesar salad. I just love a Caesar salad. I always have.
I'm very partial to a Caesar salad. I'm also very partial to a wedge.
Yeah, I like a good wedge. I do too. My mom is not a big fan of Caesar salad, but she loves this one. It's just the flavors. I think are pretty good.
Are you about ready for me?
There? Oh yeah, I'm always ready for you.
Right, well, I got some pretty big chunks going on.
Well, that's all right.
I thought you were going to give me a different knife, but that's okay.
Oh, I thought you. Well,
never mind, y'all. Okay, hold on. Oh, there's that little piece right there.
Oh, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, that looks so
coming over
good.
towards you. Let's do this right here.
I love it. And this is
Look at that, you guys.
this is what you call an entree salad. So what are you having?
There are two entrees on there.
This is easily feed two people.
Yeah, easily. Look at that, you guys.
This is beautiful.
Wow. Hold on.
Okay. There you
One
go.
more.
All right. I would normally top it with a little more cheese and serve it like this, but we're going to go ahead and
Toss that salad. We're going to toss it.
get that chicken nice and coated. Oh, it's just heavenly.
It's so ridiculous.
Okay.
Are we ready?
I am.
Is it nice and coated?
It is. I think
Let
it's
me get this out of the way.
nice and coated.
Hold on. You come towards me, I'll come towards you,
Perfect.
and everything will be happy.
This is what you call an entree salad choreography. Isn't that beautiful? These croutons.
I love this.
I do too.
That is.
It's perfectly it's about to be summertime when we're
That's
filming
good.
this.
That's good.
Is that good?
Yes, that's good.
Good. And so this is a great summertime salad, but it's so good. It's, you know, it's great any time of the year. And
Flo smells chicken.
I know Flo is right here. Oh,
Hi, Flo.
isn't that beautiful? Now, we're gonna, here, you want to, let me, my hands are clean.
Oh, good, 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 good. Yes.
Croutons. And then I love to just top it with a little
I
more
was gonna say.
freshly shaved or grated Parmesan cheese. You know, like, and you can do a little cracked pepper.
I'm doing it right now.
Good,
I'm getting it. I love the cracked pepper.
I'm telling you, serve this to your
There we
guests.
go.
They are going to be so impressed. I'll take some, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Oops, watch out, Flo.
Oh boy, and I love it when the chicken's still warm.
Me too. Totally. All right. I am going to devour this.
Devour this. I gotta get one of those croutons.
Oh, I got a big old.
This is a big mouthful. I know.
I know.
All right.
Wow. You just shoved a lot in your mouth. For you.
I really did.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow. That dressing is absolutely perfect.
It really is. I have to say, I think
Sometimes there's too much, pardon me, too much lemon in a Caesar salad dressing. And that one's just perfect. Oh, and the chicken.
I was saying that earlier. That's why half a lemon is just the perfect amount. And what about these croutes?
Okay.
The croutons. I can sit there, and then when it gets coated in the dressing,
Y'all.
the chicken is so good. You did such a good job on the chicken.
Oh my. All right, y'all.
I am in
Yeah. Caesar salad.
heaven.
Apparently this was Caesar's favorite salad. I don't know about that.
I think it was invented at Caesar's Palace.
I love it. All right, this is, I'm gonna say it because it's my favorite thing. 1,000,000% Loon approved. It's so good. Oh, salad with meat in it. Love it.
I know. Okay, you guys, if you make this salad, you are going to be so happy. And if you do make it, you know the drill. Let us know. Let us know what you think about it, okay? All right, we have a dog here that's wanting some.
Yeah.
All right, we love you so much.
Make a crouton.
Croutons!